Are you using the same basic words over and over again? Don't worry, you're not alone. While these words aren't wrong, they can make your English sound repetitive and less expressive. So today, I'll show you stronger, more natural alternatives that will instantly improve your fluency. By the end of this video, your vocabulary will be more powerful, precise, and impactful. Ready? Let's go. Very good. Excellent. The service at this hotel is excellent. Very bad. Terrible. The food at that restaurant was terrible. Very big. Enormous. They live in an enormous house by the sea. Very small. Tiny. She found a tiny crack in the glass. Very fast. Rapid. The company experienced rapid growth last year. Very slow. Sluggish. The internet connection is sluggish today. Very tired. Exhausted. I feel exhausted after working all day. Very strong. Powerful. She had a powerful force that couldn't be stopped. Very weak. Fragile. The glass table is fragile. Very hungry. Starving. I'm starving. Let's get some food. Happy. Delighted. She looks delighted with her new job. Sad. Miserable. He felt miserable after failing the test. Angry. Furious. She was furious when she missed her flight. Scared. Terrified. He is terrified of spiders. Nice. Pleasant. We had a pleasant conversation over coffee. Boring. Dull. That book is dull and uninteresting. Funny. Hilarious. That joke was absolutely hilarious. Hard. Challenging. This task is challenging but rewarding. Easy. Simple. The instructions are simple to follow. Beautiful. Stunning. The view from the top of the mountain is stunning. Say. State. I state the truth with confidence. Tell. Inform. I will inform you of any updates soon. Ask. Inquire. I will inquire about the details tomorrow. Help. Assist. Can you assist me with this task? Give. Provide. I will provide you with all the necessary information. Get. Receive. I will receive the package tomorrow. Use. Utilize. I will utilize this opportunity to learn new skills. Need. Require. This job will require a lot of hard work. Think. Consider. I will consider your suggestion carefully. Try. Attempt. I will attempt to finish the project by tomorrow. Thing. Object. She picked up a small object from the floor. Stuff. Items. He packed all his items in a suitcase. Person. Individual. Each individual has their own strengths. Worker. Employee. The employee worked hard to complete the project on time. Job. Occupation. His occupation is a software engineer. Problem. Issue. The issue needs to be addressed immediately. Idea. Concept. That concept is difficult to understand. Part. Section. This section of the book is the most important. House. Home. She invited me to her home for dinner. Car. Vehicle. He parked his vehicle near the entrance of the building. Really tired. Shattered. She looks shattered after the long flight. Really important. Crucial. It is crucial to arrive on time. Really interesting. Fascinating. That documentary was fascinating. Really beautiful. Breathtaking. The scenery was absolutely breathtaking. Really good. Exceptional. Her performance was exceptional last night. Give up. Surrender. He refused to surrender despite the difficulties. Look into. Investigate. The police will investigate the case to determine what happened. Put off. Postpone. We must postpone the event. Come up with. Develop. We must develop a comprehensive plan to ensure project success. Look after. Take care of. Can you take care of my dog while I'm away? Very easy. Effortless. He made the task look effortless. Very difficult. Complicated. The instructions are too complicated. Very clean. Spotless. The kitchen is spotless after cleaning. Very dirty. Filthy. His shoes are filthy from the mud. Very cold. Freezing. It is freezing outside today. Very hot. Boiling. The soup is boiling. Be careful. Very old. Ancient. This castle is ancient and full of history. Very new. Brand new. She just bought a brand new car. Very expensive. Pricey. That watch is too pricey for me. Very cheap. Affordable. The hotel is surprisingly affordable. Say again. Repeat that. Could you repeat that, please? Think about. Reflect on. I need time to reflect on this decision. Look at. Observe. I observe the birds building their nests every spring. Find out. Discover. Every time I travel, I discover something new. Fix. Repair. I need to repair the leaking tap. Keep going. Continue. Please continue with your presentation. Stop. Halt. Traffic came to a halt when the accident occurred. Put. Place. Please place the documents on my desk. Take. Grab. Can you grab my coat from the chair? Start. Begin. We will begin the meeting in 5 minutes. Very rich. Wealthy. He comes from a wealthy family. Very confused. Baffled. I was completely baffled by the instructions. Very calm. Serene. The lake looked serene at sunrise. Very silly. Absurd. That's an absurd idea. It'll never work. Very rough. Coarse. The fabric felt coarse against my skin. Very bright. Luminous. The moon was luminous in the night sky. Very tall. Towering. The towering skyscrapers made me feel tiny. Very dangerous. Perilous. The hikers took a perilous route up the mountain. Very shy. Timid. She was too timid to speak in front of the class. Very crowded. Packed. The train was packed with commuters this morning. Change. Transform. The company plans to transform the way people shop online. Turn down. Reject. She decided to reject the invitation politely. Run out of. Deplete. We need to buy more milk before we deplete our supply. Turn up. Appear. She didn't appear at the meeting as expected. Hand in. Submit. Please submit your assignment by Friday. Put together. Assemble. They worked together to assemble the new bookshelf. Very clear. Obvious. The mistake was obvious to everyone. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain. I'm uncertain if we can meet the deadline. I can't decide. I'm torn. I'm torn between these two choices. Put up with. Endure. He had to endure long hours of traffic. Very wet. Soaked. I forgot my umbrella and got completely soaked. Very annoying. Infuriating. His constant interruptions were infuriating. Let down. Disappoint. I don't want to disappoint my family. Break up. Separate. They decided to separate after years of disagreements. Weigh. Method. This is the best method for solving the problem. Amount. Quantity. A large quantity of food was wasted. Goal. Objective. Our primary objective is to improve customer satisfaction. Answer. Response. His response to the question was unexpected. View. Perspective. She shared her perspective on the issue. Wrap up. Conclude. Let's conclude the meeting with a quick summary.